How to fix previous message or chat not showing problem on Instagram. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Let's get started. So first of all, make sure your application is updated. For that, head over to your Play Store or your App Store. At the top search bar, type in Instagram. If you see update, tap on update and update your app. Now once done, open your app. Here, make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account and then tap on messages. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and tap on this chat with this person. If previous messages are not being shown to you, you can also search for them. For that, tap onto their profile, tap on search. Now here, you may go ahead and type in any word that you think you sent on that time period. For instance, hi. Then search, and it will list down all the things that is related with this word. Let's go ahead and try again. And just like so guys, then you will be able to tap onto the message and likewise able to read it as well. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.